Hey creators, tired of fumbling through scripts? Ready to elevate your content? Join us as we dive into the top teleprompters of 2024. We'll break down features, pros, and cons to help you find the perfect tool to present like a pro. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Glide Gear TMP 100. For video content that involves on-camera presentations, I highly recommend the Glide Gear TMP 100 Teleprompter, which I use for my YouTube videos and presentations. It's user-friendly, easily mounts to a tripod, and accommodates various cameras, including DSLRs with long lenses. The tray fits devices like phones and tablets up to 10.5 by 9.5 inches, and it can handle slightly larger tablets, though it's not big enough for the iPad Pro. The large screen allows you to read text from up to 10 feet away, and the high-quality beam splitter glass ensures clarity. It sets up and packs away effortlessly, and includes a travel bag for protection, though it's not a hard shell. Overall, the TMP 100 provides everything you need to read scripts or notes while looking professional. Number 2. Elgato Prompter. This is an excellent tool for video creators aiming for a natural and professional on-camera presence. Its setup is straightforward, and it's compatible with nearly any camera. The dedicated app designed specifically for this teleprompter eliminates the hassle of searching for third-party apps. Just plug it in and start using it. Customization options allow you to tailor it to your video style. While the camera attachment method can be a bit complex, it functions effectively. However, an attachment for more common lenses would have been a nice addition. Although it's not the cheapest option available, it's a worthwhile investment for serious creators. Beginners may want to consider a more affordable option until they're more committed to video production. Number 3. Neewer Teleprompter X14 III. If you're not comfortable speaking to the camera without notes, you can use a smartphone with a free teleprompter app. However, this means you'll be reading from an offset screen, making it hard to maintain eye contact with your audience. A better option is the Neewer Teleprompter X14 III, which allows you to position your camera behind an angled mirror. Place your smartphone on a tray in front of the mirror, and the scrolling text will reflect in the 45-degree beam splitter, enabling you to look directly into the camera while reading. The Neewer Teleprompter is easy to set up. Its aluminum alloy body unfolds from its storage case, attaches to a tripod, and supports a DSLR or mirrorless camera using a quick-release plate. The blackout hood minimizes lens visibility while you read. The X14 III also includes a Bluetooth remote to control scrolling speed, ensuring you always have the right words in view. Number 4. Desview T3 Teleprompter. If you occasionally create videos and prefer a more budget-friendly option, consider the Desview T3 Teleprompter. It accommodates any tablet or smartphone up to 11 inches in size. The kit includes a Bluetooth remote for page turning, pausing, and adjusting scroll speed, although it may take some time to get used to. To prevent light from sneaking around the lens and causing flares on the beam splitter glass, the Desview T3 also comes with customized shading rings for both phones and DSLRs. Overall, it's straightforward to set up and use, making it a practical choice for those who don't need a high-end teleprompter. Number 5. Ambitful Teleprompter Kit. If you're on a tight budget and need a compact and affordable teleprompter, the Ambitful Teleprompter Kit is a solid choice. While it doesn't support tablets, it connects easily to DSLRs, from Canon EOS M to Sony FS5, and smartphones, including iPhones, thanks to its flexible lens mount. This teleprompter comes with a Bluetooth remote control and an app for both iOS and Android, making it user-friendly for scrolling scripts. However, keep in mind that it's made of plastic, which means it's not the most durable option available. Despite this, its lightweight design is a plus, and for the price, it offers great value for occasional video creators. Note that it may also be listed under different names like Gear Teleprompter or Prompter Teleprompter, so look out for those titles when shopping. So, which teleprompter reigns supreme in 2024? After careful consideration, we crown the Desview T3 Teleprompter as the ultimate choice. Its sleek design, intuitive app, and versatile mounting options make it the ideal companion for content creators of all levels.